Hi guys, welcome back to another video.
Yeah, welcome back to another video. As you can see, we've got that with me. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. I got sent this package from Papito, which is I think it's Papito's. Why'd you get in the way of the box?
You aimed it at me! Ow!
This is from Papito's Welding, Casa Welding. I'll put a link in the description for his YouTube channel. He doesn't do too much, but he's got some great projects going. He's built some trestles and some roses and stuff like that. But he sent me this. I'm pretty certain I know what it is, but I haven't opened it. We're going to open it on camera. I'm bored of opening, like seeing boxes opened with just a knife, so we're going to try and have some fun. And if anybody wants to send me some shit, I'm going to make it different every single time. So, right, we're going to start with she needs some safety. Oh, shut up. Turns that top off. So I said it. Go on, take that. What is that? Do you know what that is?
No. Look at the screen with it.
I can't.
On it.
Right, let's get back to the video because we're sort of digressing.
Do you think...
People are here to see me, not you. Go away. Ow. Don't lick me. Yeah, I've been sent a welding helmet. And not a cheap one either. This is, I think it's 3M. But yeah, it's a speed glass one that's virtually brand new. That's amazing. Thank you, Papito. I'm hoping I'm saying that right. I will definitely be using that. Absolutely 100%. I'm absolutely in awe. I knew you were sending me a welding helmet, but I didn't realise it was that. Fuck me, thank you. Genuinely thank you.
Look,
a little bit speechless.
There's buttons at the back. No, in here I meant.
Yeah, I'm glad you mentioned that because I was speechless. I didn't even notice buttons. I mean, the most important thing about this is buttons. The more buttons, the more better, innit? Get off. Why are you scratching my arm?
Because I am.
You're such a weirdo. Do you know what this is? Do you know what it does?
No.
So.
I know what this button does.
There's the on and off button.
I know!
Do you know what this does?
No.
This is a welding helmet.
I know that!
Do you understand?
Nope.
Didn't think you did.
Put it on and press the on button.
So, after having to deal with this little shit for a minute, Papito seriously, genuinely, thank you for sending me this. Absolutely much appreciated. If you can send me a sticker of your company, what I'm going to do is, I mean, obviously can't do it now, but when I get a new unit, I'm going to put a board up, so when I'm doing my intros and outros, I'm going to have a board like right behind me of all of the companies that support me and help me and give me a shout out. And that goes to anybody that's out there. You know, if you want to send me a sticker, you know, I'll quite happily put it in the video, you know, as long as you give me sort of, not necessarily a shout out, but, you know, we've all got to help each other in this game, you know. YouTube is pretty much preoccupied by the KSIs and PewDiePies and all the little wankers that just do absolute fucking bollocks instead of teaching people genuine fucking skills. So, yeah, I really do appreciate this. Yeah, I'm actually a little bit gobsmacked about this, and yeah, it's just amazing that people sort of appreciate what I'm doing and are willing to send this level of stuff to me. That being said though, you know, I mean, this is now my only income, like YouTube, until I get another unit. So I have just started a Teespring store with some merch and stuff, so, you know, if you can help out, please, you know, have a look at Teespring, you know, see the merch. Please have a look at my Patreon page, and also consider donating. You know, every little helps. Like I said, you know, this is literally my only income at the minute, and I'm still trying to continue doing videos. Please follow me on the social medias, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook and all the rest of it. Please subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, drop a comment, even just say hello. Yeah, I'll speak to you next time. Catch you later. What have you got to say?
That's what I was actually going to say, but...
No, you said you was going to do an outro. You said you was going to do it. Go on, go.
But you already done it.
Just do it. I can cut it and maybe paste it. Are you going to do it or not?
No.
Why?
Because...
Chicken shit.